Do you know where honey comes from? Yes, beehive. Bees collect nectar from flowers and they convert it into honey and store it in their hive. What is nectar? It is a sweet juice from flowers. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. What we human beings will do, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. Well, students, we all know that honeybees make honey. But do you know it takes a great effort and hard work from bees to make the honey we enjoy? If not, then don't you worry, students. Today, let us go into the buzzing world of these tiny chefs we call honeybees and learn the recipe for nature's sweetest dessert known as honey. Well, students, honey is sugar which mainly constitutes of fructose and glucose made by honeybees living in a large group called a colony. This colony lives in a hive and has thousands of female worker bees who make the honey. First, the worker bees, who are also known as forager, visit flowers containing sugar water and then with the help of their hollow straw-like tongue called proboscis, they suck up the nectar from the flower and stores into a tummy. While returning to their beehive, digestive enzymes are already processing to turn that nectar into different parts of sugar like glucose and fructose. Once the worker honeybee returns to the hive, they vomit the nectar into a processor honeybee's mouth. This process goes on until most of the nectar turns into simple sugar. Then the bees moves this watery honey mix from its tummy into its mouth and then store it into the honeycomb. But this new nectar mix is still quite watery and gooey. So to get rid of most of the water, the smart bees flap their wings which evaporate the water, leaving the thick mixture as honey.